Hi everybody, welcome to Music with Mrs. Habib. Let's go ahead and get started with our hello song, and I'm going to show you what we're singing with my hands. Hello, hello class. How are you today? Could we try it with pitch names? What's this one? So, you're right. What about this one? Me. And then what about this one? Do. That's correct. So how about I'm going to sing the pitch names and you're going to sing them back to me. So me, so me. So me, do. Wonderful. All right, we're going to watch some short videos to help us kind of talk about reading music. I know we've been spending a lot of time learning about high and low and where our hands go match what our voice is doing. You might remember on Kitty Kitty Casket that we saw this with our page, how some of the notes were written up and some were down. So let's talk a little bit more about lines and spaces, and then we're going to sing that with our song Jumpin Jacks today, okay?
This is my treble clef staff, and all it is really is a series of lines, 4, 5, and spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how do you describe where that note is? Do you say, well, it's kind of at the top, underneath the 4th line, above, underneath the 5th line? How do you describe where it is? Well, this is what you do. You say it is in the... It's in the 4th space. What about if it was there? You'd say it was on the 3rd line. I am now going to attempt to set a world record, previously held by Doris Battenberg of Nottingham, set in 1936, where she named 10 notes in under 4.2 seconds. Timekeeper, are you ready? Yes! Here we go. 3rd line, 1st space, 3rd line, 4th space, 3rd space, 3rd line, 2nd line, 4th line, 3rd line, 4th space. Did he do it? Timekeeper? Yes, you did. I've just set a new world record for note describing. Wonderful.
So if we're going off of what Quaver was saying, the lines and spaces are numbered from the bottom up. So we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which line is this music on? Yes, it's on the 1st line. Woohoo! Let's try another one. Where's that line? Yes, it's on the 1st line again. Let's try another. Which line is that? Yes, it's on the 2nd line if we count from the bottom. 1, 2, let's check. Yay! Let's try another one. What line is that? The 3rd line, let's see. Yay! Let's try one more. Which one is that? Yep, back to the 1st line. Yay! See, that's not so hard counting the lines. Let's try the spaces next. So when we were numbering the lines, we had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many spaces do we have? That's the space between lines. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So we have 4 spaces when we had 5 lines. So let's see if we can figure out where this music note belongs. Which space? Yes, it's on the 1st space because it's on the bottom. Let's try a different one. Which space is that? Remember, we count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Space 4. Let's see if you're right. Let's try it. Yeah. Let's try a couple more. Which space is that music note on? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Yay! That's correct. How about this one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Let's do one more. Last one. Yep, it's on the 4th space. Yay, we did it. So I know that we've looked at these notes before with our hands. We have do, then we have mi, and then we have so. Now you're going to notice up here it says do, it looks like do, and then mi, and then sol. Now sometimes people leave that L on there, but most of the time we don't actually say sol, we say so, just how it is. So let's try this. Can you get your hands ready? You're going to show me do. There's do. Then we're going to go up, show me mi. Go up and show me so. Very good. Now, if you notice up here, we have our notes as well. Here's do, mi, and so. Out of those three choices, which one is the lowest? Yes, do is the lowest. And how can we tell that? If we look, it's actually under the staff, isn't it? So if it's under the staff, that means it is lower than the staff, which tells us it is a lower pitch. Now take a look at so. So is on which line of the staff? 1, 2. Yes, it's on the second line of the staff. Now compare that. So is on the second line of the staff. Do is under the staff. So which one is higher? Yes, so is higher. And we can see that with the hand signs. There's do. You see it's sort of by where the character's belly button is. And then so, it's sort of up by their chin. Now look at mi. That's sort of in the middle, isn't it? And take a look. Which line is it on? Yep, it's on the first line. So we're not actually looking at the letter names of music yet. Don't worry about that yet. We're going to do that more in 4th grade. But I want you to start noticing these patterns of where the lines and the notes are falling on those lines. So where are those notes moving?
Jumpin' jacks, jumpin' jacks, like a kangaroo. Up, down, yeah! How many can you running in place, get up on your toes. Left, right, yeah! How fast can you
If we look at this version of the song, it does not have 5 lines. However, it does have 2 lines. So if we look, which one is this? We have Jumpin' Jacks, Jumpin' Jacks, like a kangaroo. So in this version, the Z's are standing for a rest. Like, you know, when cartoon characters are asleep, you see little Z's. Yeah. So the Z means rest. Now we have 2 different types of icons here. We have balls. So we have like a beach ball and then we have a basketball. Of those 2, you might notice that the beach ball is on the higher line than the basketball. So what do you think that could mean about the notes on the beach ball line? Yeah, they're higher because they're written up higher. Now, what about the basketball? If the beach ball is higher, that must mean the basketball is what? Yes, it is lower. Very good. So let's go ahead and try singing it with these icons. How many can you do? Ooh, ooh, ooh. left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah. How fast can you go? Whoa. 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 Wasn't that so fun learning about lines and spaces and seeing them with jumping jacks? I thought it was pretty fun anyway. Before we sing our goodbye song, we are going to sing Bom Ba La Lom, the song that we learned last week. You might notice that I am in my Bom Ba La Lom. I told you I had a little room attached to my closet, had my books, my guitars are over here. You can't see them, my makeup's behind me. So, and my computer's right here. So we're going to go ahead and sing Bom Ba La Lom, okay? Here we go. Bom Ba La Lom, Bom Ba La Lom. I'm going back to my Bom Ba La Lom. You might be thinking, Mrs. Habit, we already had so up here. That's right. But remember, we can have more than one pitch. Just one higher, one lower. So in this case, we have low so, and before we had high so, with our hello song, and then with jumping jacks. We had the so me, so me. Let's try Bom Ba La Lom again. And this time we will sing it 2 times. The first time we will sing it with pitch names. So do, so, and re. The second time we'll sing it with words. Here we go. Do, 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 so. Do, 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 so. Do, 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 re, 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 so, 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 do. Bom Ba La Lom. Bom Ba La Lom. I'm going back to my Bom Ba La Lom. Let's sing our goodbye song, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, goodbye, class. I will see you next Wednesday. All right, everybody, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.